Hello again, men and women of the sea. Welcome aboard to my channel. My name is Neokeris Figuera, and today's topic will be about ship mooring operation. A mooring is any permanent structure or floating element to which a vessel may be secured to forest that is free moving on the water using mooring lines or ropes, anchor and connector, such as bollard or clips. This element must withstand several forces such as wind, the current, the tide, and waves. So it is essential that they are examined regularly for damage and record maintained. Mooring operations are performed on deck, and the common mooring scheme for securing a vessel to port consists of one mooring line from bow to the mooring called headline, which keeps the forward part of the ship against the dock. One from stern to the mooring called stern line, which prevents forward movement. Two lines that go perpendicular to the center lines of the ship called forward and aft breast line, destined to keep the vessel close to pile. And two lines led diagonally from bow or stern to the mooring called forward and aft spring that restrain the vessel from advancing or moving back. Nonetheless, there are different kinds of mooring operation according to the structure the vessel is secured to, such as ship-to-ship transfer is mean mooring to ships in parallel to transfer cargo, or single point mooring. In this case, the vessel is tied to a buoy outside the port and to handle liquid or gaseous cargo. The crew involved in this kind of operation must be aware of the hazard that can have an inadequate performance of the task to carry out. Some of them comprise sleeping, falling overboard, or even death. Besides, to injury during a mooring operation are generally serious cases considering the heavy nature of the equipment involved. So there are some precautions that must be considered during the mooring operation to avoid the situation. Following. The person in charge or directing the mooring operation at a mooring station on the should be easily identifiable and heard clearly by the rest of the mooring team. No extra personnel must be present at the mooring station except two who are involved in the operation. Weather conditions must be evaluated by taking factors such as wind and current. The ship's master and responsible officer must have the detail of current and future weather data before commencing the mooring operation. The mooring team should always be wearing the proper personal protective equipment (PPE). This should be verified by the team leader person in charge. Be aware of snapback zones, which are dead markings that identify the places that are safe in case of a road bite or the suddenly breaking of mooring lines. Generally, mooring lines of the same size and material should be used for our list to ensure the equality of loads in each line, and in addition, only one line should be tended at a time. The key to safe and effective mooring operation is planning and ensuring that appropriate procedures are followed. Communication between the mooring team is a key part of mooring procedures. VHF, talkback system, hand signal, and verbal communication are normally used. In addition, it is recommended to have a mooring operation risk assessment record the significant hazard and risk of an operation together with the relevant control measure and emergency signal, and procedures should be understood and well practiced. This has been all for today. Remember to be careful in operation on board, such as mooring in this case, and comply with safety regulations to avoid accidents, because these operations are the most frequent and dangerous. I hope you like this video. See you later, seafarers.